Hi guys, Namaste. So, in the previous online classes, we are dealing with the principle of mathematical induction, correct? I hope you understood the concept with a clear-cut picture, isn't it? Done. So today we'll continue our discussion on the same topic, principle of mathematical induction, that too on exercise problem, okay? Done. Okay. Exercise problem. Some two problems are given for your work. Now we'll continue our discussion. There are 24 questions. Okay? Done. I think two questions are given for your work. Third question is 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 2 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on plus 1 divided by 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on plus n, which is equal to 2n divided by n plus 1. Prove this by mathematical induction. Prove this question by mathematical induction. Question note hedarkobadi. I'll tell you, if you are really understanding the concept, don't afraid to any question, guys. Don't afraid. Okay? Question is very easy if you understand the concept. When it comes to principle of mathematical induction, what are the principle involved in this mathematical induction? First principle, we have to prove that the result is true for n equal to 1. Next one, we have to assume that the result is true for n equal to k. Third one, this is very important point. By using assumption, we have to prove that the result is true for n equal to k plus 1. Isn't it? Done. Okay. So I'll call this as my statement P of n. There is no any objection regarding this. No objection because already we know this, correct? Given question, we have to consider it as a statement P of n. Now, for n is equal to 1, I am not writing any English here. You write all the punter English, okay? Done. Because we have taken clear punter English in the previous class, correct? All the English you write. We prove the given statement is true for n equal to 1. I hope you can write because you guys are punter in English, isn't it? N equal to 1. For n equal to 1, first term is my n is equal to 1, correct? Which is equal to 2 divided by 1 plus 1. So this implies 1 equal to 1. Is it okay? That means the result is true for n equal to 1, correct? Next, we have to assume that the result is true for n is equal to k. Is it okay? We have to assume that the result is true for n equal to k. That means what is my assumption? My assumption is 1 divided by 1 plus 2, 1 divided by 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on plus 1 divided by 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on plus k, which is equal to 2k divided by k plus 1. Is it okay? Done. Next, what you have to prove? We have to prove that the result is true for n equal to k plus 1 by using assumption, isn't it? Right? So you have to prove that n equal to k plus 1. N equal to k plus 1 in the sense what you need to prove actually? 1 divided by 1 plus 2 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on plus 1 divided by 1 plus 2 plus 3 so on plus k plus 1, isn't it? Which is equal to 2 into k plus 1 divided by k plus 1 plus 1. k ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ k plus 1 ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಏನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2k plus 2 divided by k plus 2 ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಓಕೆ? ಹೆಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನೋಡಿ, ಬಹಳ ಆರಾಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಹಳ ಆರಾಮ್ ಸರಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಥಿಂಕ್ ದಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ಭಾಳ ಆರಾಮ್ ಸರಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಸರಿ, ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೈಂಡು ಭಾಳ ಆರಾಮ್ ಸರಿ ಇರಬೇಕಾಯ್ತಾ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಡನ್. What you need to prove? I consider this, okay? Why we need consider this? Because see my previous video, okay? This is 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 2, 1 divided by 1 plus 2 plus 3, so on plus 1 divided by 1 plus 2 plus 3, so on plus k plus 1 are considered. I should go on solve this to get this 2k plus 2 divided by k plus 2, isn't it? Okay. See the beauty of this problem. Just take the previous term. The previous term is 1 divided by 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on plus k, correct? Is it okay? Last term 100 ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ the previous term 99 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? 99.9 we cannot take. Is it okay? Done. Because we are dealing with natural number. What is this? This is my assumption. What is assumption here? 2k divided by k plus 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on plus k plus 1. Okay. See this. Already we know that sum of the natural number is n into n plus 1 divided by 2, isn't it? So, ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ನಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದ ನೋಡಿ 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on plus n ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ n into n plus 1 by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾದ್ರೂ k ಆಗೋದಾದ್ರೆ 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on plus k will be equal to k into k plus 1 by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ನನಗೆ ಈಗ ಏನಾದರೂ 1 plus 2 plus 3 so on plus k ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ k plus 1 ಆಗೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗಬೇಕು, which is equal to k plus 1 k plus 1 plus 1 k plus 2 divided by 2 ಆಗಬೇಕಲ್ಲ? Is it okay? Done. Same concept I am applying here. Okay. 2k divided by k plus 1 plus 1 divided by ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ k plus 1 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ k plus 1 into k plus 2 divided by 2 ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. See the beauty, how you are getting answer. Then ಅವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ನಮಗೆ 2k divided by k plus 1 ಆಯ್ತು plus denominator goes to numerator k plus 1 into k plus 2 ಆಯ್ತು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? Now take the LCM. LCM will be k plus 1 into k plus 2 is my LCM. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, 2k into k plus 2 plus 2 ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. Is it okay? If I solve the numerator ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2k square plus 4k 2k square plus 4k plus 2 divided by k plus 1 into k plus 2. You factorize this. Factorize. Illondu kelasa madi, from the numerator 2 you take outside, k square plus 2k plus 1 divided by k plus 1 into k plus 2, which is equal to 2 into, see the numerator, is it not k plus 1 whole square divided by k plus 1 into k plus 2, these two get cancels. ಉಳಿದು ಏನಾಯಿತು, 2 into k plus 1 divided by k plus 2 ಉಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ. See this. Is it not our required task? See how we are getting answers. Is it okay? Done? Is it okay? Understood, guys? Therefore, the result is true for n equal to k plus 1. Therefore, it is true for all the natural number. Therefore, the given statement is true. Is it okay? Done. We'll move to the next question, okay? Second question, 1 into 2 into 3, 2 into 3 into 4 plus so on plus n into n plus 1 into n plus 2, which is equal to n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 into n plus 3 divided by 4. Divided by 4. Okay? It is my given statement, P of n. For n is equal to 1, n is equal to 1, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ will be 6 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, which is equal to n equal to 1 ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಏನಾಯ್ತು 1 into 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, 1 plus this is 4 divided by 4, get cancels, 6 is equal to 6. I'll write here 6 is equal to 6. So therefore the result is true for n is equal to 1, isn't it? Okay, then go for n is equal to k. n equal to k ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 1 into 2 into 3, 2 into 3 into 4 plus so on plus k into k plus 1 into k plus 2 which is equal to k into k plus 1 into k plus 2 into k plus 3 divided by 4. Did you understand this? That is our assumption. Did you understand? Yes or no? Write in comments so that I'll come to know whether my students are understanding or not. Okay? Done. See, Nange, I have been observing with the students that very few students are very honest. If they don't understand, they'll stand up and, sir, I don't understand this, please repeat one more time. So that kind of ಒಂದು proactiveness that should be there. There are some students, they will simply keep quiet. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ತಿಳಿಲಿ ಬಿಡ್ಲಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದು ಯಾವ ನಮೂನಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ I tell you guys, if you go for any company interview, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂಚೂರು ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಅದ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನಾದರೂ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರೋ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂಚೂರು ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಅದ ನೀವು ಕಂಪ್ನಿಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರಿ ಆಯಿತಾ, ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ ಬಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಥವಾ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಮುಜುಗರ ಕೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂಥರ ಮುಜುಗರ, ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬದಿಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ, ಹಿಂದೆ ಬದಿ ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ರು ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಂದು ಬಾಯಿಗೆ ಬಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಬಾಯಿಗೆ ಬಡ್ದಾಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರಂತಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೆ. So you should take the initiative. Is it okay? You should take the initiative. If you don't understand, this is your right. This is your right, guys. If you don't understand, you stand up and ask, sir, I am not getting. Okay? Is it okay? Then another thing we have been observing in the student is, suppose, okay, that is okay. If they don't understand, they will order the teachers. So I don't understand this. No, if you don't understand, request your teachers to tell them. I'm damn sure all teachers with happily they will explain more than if you don't understand 1,000 times. Our teachers are 1,000 times they are ready to explain you. Is it okay? Right? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎನರ್ಜಿಯಿಂದ ಇರಬೇಕಾಯ್ತಾ. ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಜೋಶು ಏನೋ, with ಎಲ್ಲರ ಥರನೂ ನೀವಿದ್ರೆ there is no difference between others and you guys. You should be like different with some creativity. Is it okay? Done. Okay. My students are always good. n equal to k plus 1. n equal to k plus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? n equal to k plus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 into 2 into 3 2 into 3 into 4 plus so on plus n equal to k plus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? k ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ k plus 1 ಹಾಕಿ, k ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ k plus 2 ಹಾಕಿ, k ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ k plus 3 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? k plus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? k plus 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? k plus 2 ಆಯ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? k plus 3 ಆಯ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? k plus 4 divided by 4. that you have to prove. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಡಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. that you have to prove. Okay, done. By using assumption you have to prove this. Can I consider this? Can I consider? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, I consider 1 into 2 into 3 2 into 3 into 4 so on plus. Okay, ಮತ್ತೊಂದು so on ಬರೆಯುವ. so on k plus 1 into k plus 2 into k plus 3. Okay, just consider its previous term. Its previous term will be k into k plus 1 into k plus 2. Do you agree? Then what is its previous term? K minus 1 into k plus 1. Do you agree? Then look at this. ಕಣ್ಣಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಉಂಟಾ ಆನ್ಸರು? ಕಣ್ಣಿ ಕಾಣ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಆನ್ಸರ್ನ? ಕಣ್ಣಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಉಂಟಾ? Done. This is my answer. I can replace this term by k into k plus 1 into k plus 2 into k plus 3 divided by 4. Okay, then plus k plus 1 into k plus 2 into k plus 3. Is it okay? So therefore which is equal to, take the LCM. LCM is 4. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? k into k plus 1 into k plus 2 into k plus 3 plus 4 goes there. 4 into k plus 1 into k plus 2 into k plus 3 Is it okay? Done. Take the common term k plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 3. I can take out k plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 3. If I take outside, here you will get k entire take outside. Okay, divided by 4. Is it not our answer? See this. Is it not our answer? Is it okay? Therefore, last ಗೆ 3 sentence ಬರೆದೈತೆ ಏನು ಬರೀತೀರಿ? Therefore, the result is true for n equal to k plus 1. Therefore, the result is true for all the natural number. Hence, the given statement is true. ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚಂದ ಬಂತು ನೋಡಿ. ನೀವು ಆರಾಮ್ ಸರಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಆರಾಮ್ ಸರಿ ತಿಳಿತದೆ. ಓಕೆ ಡನ್. ಇದೇ ಖುಷಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಹಾಕೋಣ. ಓಕೆ. Next, 1 into 3, 2 into 3 square, 3 into 3 cube, and so on and so on and so on. N into 3 to the power n, which is equal to 2n minus 1, 3 to the power n plus 1 plus 3 divided by 4. Is it okay? Done. This is my statement P of n. Statement is always writing P of n or F of n or K of n. Right? Other than that, don't write any other symbol. Sometimes P of n, F of n, in some foreign author book, you can get this word K of n. Okay. So n is equal to 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ, ಆ ಕಡೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? 2 into 1 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2 into 1 ಏನಾಯ್ತು? 2 ಆಯ್ತು. 2 minus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಆಯ್ತು. 3 to the power n plus 1, 3 to the power 2 ಆಯ್ತು. 3 to the power 3 plus 4 divided by 4. Okay, 3 is equal to ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 9 plus 3, 12 divided by 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This implies 3 equal to 3 ಆದಂಗಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. So this implies 3 is equal to 3. For n is equal to 1, the given statement is true. Okay, then go for n is equal to k. n equal to k ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 1 into 3, 2 into 3 square, 3 into 3 cube, and so on plus k into 3 to the power k, which is equal to 2k minus 1, 3 to the power k plus 1 plus 3 divided by 4. Is it okay? For n is equal to k plus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? n equal to k plus 1. n equal to k plus 1 ಏನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 1 into 3, 2 into 3 square, 3 into 3 cube, and so on plus k plus 1 into 3 to the power k plus 1, which is equal to, can anybody tell me what should be other side? Comment ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದು ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡುವ. k ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ k plus 1 ಹಾಕಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. 2k minus 1 ಇತ್ತು, ನಾನು k ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ k plus 1 ಹಾಕಿದೆ minus 1 ಹಾಕಿದೆ. 2k plus 2 ಆಯ್ತು minus 1 ಆಯ್ತು. This should be my 2k plus 1. Do you agree? Very nice. 3 to the power, this is k plus 2 plus 3 divided by 4. Is it okay? Done. Consider. I'll consider our task only. Okay, this is our task, isn't it? 1 into 3, 2 into 3 square, 3 into 3 cube, so on, so on, so on. K plus 1 into 3 to the power 11 3 to the power k plus 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸರಿ, no, sorry, k plus 1 only. 3 to the power k plus 1. Okay, enter right. k plus 1 into 3 to the power k plus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಏನಾರ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬರೋದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್. ಇದು ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಟರ್ಮ್? k into 3 to the power k. What is this? We have this term. This term I can replace that by 2k minus 1 into 3 to the power k plus 1 plus 3 divided by 4 plus this you keep as it is, k k plus 1 into 3 to the power k plus 1. Is it okay? This will be 2k minus 1, 3 to the power k plus 1 plus 3 goes there plus 4 times k plus 1 into 3 to the power k plus 1 whole divided by 4. Okay, done. ನಾವು ಏನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಇದನ್ನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 4 ಹಂಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 ಬರಬೇಕಾ? ನಾನು ಏನು ಬರೀತಾರೆ, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ 4 ಹಂಗೆ ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ, 3 ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ, ಈ 3 ಸುದ್ದಿ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ, ಒಂದು ಬದಿಗೆ ಏನೇ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಇದ್ರ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಮಾಡಿ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? Three to the power k plus 1 I can take outside. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಯ್ತು 2k minus 1 ಆಯ್ತು ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4 into ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 4k plus 4 ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, which is equal to 3 to the power k plus 1. This is 6k, this is plus 3 as it is, divided by 4. Okay, I want k plus 2 ala, so for that I'll take 1 3 outside. K plus 1 3 I'll take outside. Is it not 2k plus 1 plus 3 divided by 4? Now when the base are same, we can add the powers. If I solve this, is it not 3 to the power k plus 2? Entire last answer is, I'm writing here, 3 to the power k plus 2 into 2k plus 1 plus 3 divided by 4. Is it not this answer? Is it okay? Understood, guys? So therefore the result is true for n equal to k plus 1. Therefore the result is true for all the natural number. Hence the given statement is true. All the three sentences must you have to write. Okay, done. Can we have a look on the next question? If you are ready, you are always ready, correct? Okay, done. 1 into 2, 2 into 3, 3 into 4, so on plus n into n plus 1, which is equal to n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 divided by 3. I will give this problem as homework. Simple problem it seems. One into 3, 3 into 5, 5 into 7, so on plus 2n minus 1, 2n plus 1, which is equal to n into 4n square, 6n minus 1 divided by 3. Again I give this problem as homework. It seems simple. 1 into 2, 2 into 2 square, 3 into 2 to the power 3 plus so on plus n into 2 to the power n, which is equal to n minus 1 into 2 to the power n plus 1 plus 2. We'll have a look on this. This is homework. You solve, okay? Then only you will come to know where you are facing problem, where you are having problem with step. Okay? Then it is my P of n, isn't it? It is P of n. For n equal to 1 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. For n equal to 1, this is 0, 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? This statement is true. This statement is true for n is equal to 1, isn't it? For n equal to k, if I take n equal to k ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 into 2, 2 into 2 square, 3 into 2 to the power 3, so on plus k into 2 to the power k, which is equal to k minus 1 into 2 to the power k plus 1 plus 2 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? That is assumption. n equal to k plus 1 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ k plus 1 ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಏನಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 1 into 2, 2 into 2 square, 3 into 2 cube, so on plus k k plus 1 into 2 to the power k plus 1 equal to k into 2 to the power k plus 2 ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ. Is it okay? Can I consider this only? Here only I am considering. Okay, I'll try to give the idea, full idea. Better you solve. Okay, just take this previous term. Take this previous term. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 into 2, 2 into 2 square, 3 into 2 cube, and so on and so on. Last term I am writing here it as k plus 1 into 2 to the power k plus 1. Okay, take its previous term k into 2 to the power k. Okay, what is this? What is this? This is that. What is this? This is what? This. So which is equal to k minus 1 into 2 to the power k plus 1 plus 2 plus k plus 1 into 2 to the power k plus 1. Just replace this. So clear? Get me away, tension away. Aram se replace ಮಾಡಿಯಾ? Anything is it possible to take out? ನೋಡಿ plus 2 into plus 2 ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಸುತ್ತಿಕೋಬೇಡಿ, plus 2 ಹಾಗೆ ಇಡಿ. ಇದೆರಡರಿಂದ can I take 2 to the power k plus 1 outside? ಉಳಿದದ್ದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2k minus 1 ಉಳಿತದೆ plus 2k plus 1 ಉಳಿತದ, plus 1 minus 1 get cancels. So total answer ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 to the power k plus 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ into bracket ಬರುತ್ತೆ 2k ಬರುತ್ತೆ plus 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Is it not our answer? I want k plus 2 ಅಲ್ಲ. When the bases are same we can add the powers. 2k plus 2 into k into 2. Is it okay? So clear? ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತುಂಟ ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿಗೆ. Have you look on this? ಹೆಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನೋಡಿ. ಬಹಳ ಆರಾಮ್ ಸರಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಬಹಳ ಆರಾಮ್ ಸರಿ. Two example I given for your work. Okay, you solve and answer ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಫುಲ್ ಕುಣಿದಾಡ್ತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಸರ್ ಐ ಗಾಟ್ ದಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇಜಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಬನ್ನಿ, ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೈತೆ ಸರ್ ನಂಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ ಗೈಸ್. ಓಕೆ ದೆನ್ is it okay? ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿ. ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಲಿ n equal to 1. Understanding concept is very important. N is equal to 1. Okay, n equal to k. Okay, n equal to k plus 1. n equal to 1 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ n equal to 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ LHS ಅಲ್ಲಿ first term, in the LHS first term, correct? n equal to k assumption, n equal to k plus 1 we have to prove, isn't it? Have a look on this. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಕಟ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ನೋಡಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಡಿ. ನೋಡಿದ್ರ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈಗ ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆದರೆ ಯಾವುದು, ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆದರೆ ಇದು ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆದರೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಒಂಚೂರು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಕಣ್ಣಾಯಿಸಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. n equal to 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್, ಆ ಕಡೆ n equal to 1, n equal to k assumption, ಆ ಕಡೆ assumption, ಈ ಕಡೆ k plus 1, ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ assumption ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದಿಸ್. Okay, in the similar case n equal to 1 first term, n equal to k assumption, n equal to k plus 1. k plus 1 ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಭಾಳ ಜಾಗ್ರತೆ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಆಯ್ತಾ, so that I can replace assumption very easily. Is it okay? Done. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳ. One divided by 2, 1 divided by 4, 1 divided by 8, so 1 plus 1 divided by 2 to the power n is equal to 1 minus 1 divided by 2 to the power n. Prove by mathematical induction. You try, okay? If you don't get the answer, no worry. You try all the problems. 3 problems I had given for your work, okay? You try, you try. If you don't get the answer, don't worry, we'll solve again. Okay? Thank you. Remaining problem we'll discuss in next class. Thank you.